Hi there, Jack Huang from RosterElf here. Today, we're walking through how to approve leave requests so you can keep your rosters running smoothly and your team happy. Let's dive straight in. How to review leave requests. From the dashboard, locate the leave block and click any pending request to open its details window, just like spotting a red dot that needs your attention. Confirm you have the correct request by checking the employee's name, dates, and the pending badge that sits beside it. How to view leave request details. Glance at the Info tab to see the leave type, length, and any comments, then adjust the leave type if it looks off to keep records tidy. If you're linked to Xero, open the Xero Balance tab to view the employee's available balance and decide whether the request lines up with their accruals. How to use the leave report. Open the leave report and scan for other team members already on leave for the same period to avoid understaffing headaches. How to approve or deny requests. Once you're confident, hit Approve to lock it in, or deny if the timing won't work, and the employee will get an instant notification either way. Approved requests slide to the archived tab and automatically feed into Payroll when that pay cycle rolls around. How to send approved leave to Xero. Select the leave type, pop in the number of hours, and click Send to Xero if you have permission, ensuring the data syncs before payroll is processed. If you get a permission warning, your payroll manager or admin can push it through during the next payroll run to keep the books balanced. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, our support team is always here to help, so reach out if you need a hand. Happy rostering, and see you next time.